Hey y'all, this is Kalavarak Jaguar with another video. This is an update to the tropical updates for the 2018 season. Before I get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn post notifications on so you'll never miss a new video when I upload. Anyways, to get started, Tropical Storm Florence has continued to weaken. This is not a good sign for South Carolina and North Carolina, as this will allow Florence to pass beneath a trough of low pressure, which would normally pick it up and kick it out to sea if it were stronger. But since Florence is weaker, it will stay south of it and get under a developing ridge of high pressure, which will push it west towards the coast of South and North Carolina. Florence's current wind speed is 60 miles per hour, it has a pressure of 999 millibars, it's moving to the west now at 7 miles per hour, but it is forecast to become a Category 4 hurricane once again upon approach to the coast. It is currently 780 miles to the northeast of the northern Leeward Islands, so it is approaching slowly. So be prepared for this storm. You have time to prepare. There is absolutely no excuse not to be prepared. You have over a week to prepare. Get prepared now. Behind Florence, there is Tropical Storm Helene near the coast of Africa. It has developed. It has 40 mile per hour winds, 1,002 millibars, and is moving to the west now at 12 miles per hour. It is slowly getting organized. It is a large storm and will affect the Cabo Verde Islands. It is 405 miles to the east of the southernmost islands in the Cabo Verde Islands. This storm is possibly going to head out to sea, but they were saying the same thing about Florence. And look at Florence. It's heading towards the coast of the United States. Helene could possibly follow a similar track to Florence. Now, moving a little bit closer to home, we have Tropical Depression 9, which is still far out to sea. It is 1,755 miles to the east of the Leeward and Windward Islands. This storm is much smaller than Helene, but is expected to strengthen much more rapidly than Helene. This storm will likely become Isaac later today, probably within the next few hours. It has winds of 35 miles per hour, is stationary, and has a pressure of 1,007 millibars. This storm is likely to impact the aforementioned island chain, and possibly the U.S. and British Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. So get prepared for this storm. You have about a week to prepare for it as well. So get prepared. It could be at least a Category 2 as it's approaching the Windward Islands. Also, a bit closer to home, we still have the remnants. We still have the remnants of Tropical Storm Gordon over Arkansas, dumping a bunch of rain, or at least enhancing the rain threats. And just to the west of Bermuda, between Bermuda and the coast of the Carolinas, there is a trough of low pressure, which has gained little organization in the last few hours. It still is unlikely to develop, but is still an area to watch. It is Invest 94L. Stay safe this weekend and this week with these storms approaching. There are also 2 more tropical waves behind Helene, which, if recent history has shown, they too will probably develop into Joyce and Kirk. So stay prepared, stay safe. This next few weeks is going to be quite dangerous for folks to go to the beach.